Hey everybody, this is Blue Hair Dave, and in this video, I'm going to explain why some of the videos I've been putting out lately are a little bit different and a little bit different subjects than usual, and what this means for you and me. But first, thanks for coming to my channel. I make easy to follow and sometimes funny videos on things like how to start your own business, work from home, making money online, current events, and other cool stuff that I like, and I've also been lucky enough to do. My goal is to inform and entertain you on ways to make and save money. I also go behind the scenes on what it's like to work for yourself from home and all the cool stuff that goes with that. If you're into any of these topics, please subscribe and hit the bell now. Also, hit the like button on this video because it really helps me and my channel out. It's kind of like sending me $1, but you have to hit the button and it's free for you to do, and it really helps the algorithm. So let's get into our topic today. Howdy YouTube folks out there in YouTube land. So you may have noticed there's different types of videos besides just tutorials on the channel lately. You might have also noticed that I picked up my pace on putting out these videos. And there is a reason for this, and I wanted to let you, my subscribers, know what that reason is. For those of you less familiar with me, my background is really email marketing, affiliate marketing, lead generation through Facebook, native ads, and I don't really mess around that much with YouTube until now. And in the pandemic, I kind of said, hey, you know what? I want to learn something a little bit different than Facebook. And quite frankly, a lot of the Facebook being on there all day with marketing and things like that was kind of getting to me because it's a different ecosystem and people like to really fight a lot on Facebook. And so I said, you know what? I need a little break. I'm going to check out YouTube. And I really liked what I saw. I liked all the personalities that were on there. And I said, let's give this a shot. I've kind of mastered the other techniques. And I said, let's give YouTube a shot. I also feel like YouTube has more of a future going forward than Facebook because of the demographics. It skews younger instead of older and things like that. So I wanted to go ahead and just tap into YouTube. And there's a couple different reasons for this. And that's why I wanted to give you, my subscribers, a heads up. So you might see a video about like trucks or something, and you might see a video that's kind of funny about current events. And really, some of those I did just because I thought it would be fun to do and have some fun with being bored at home. And hopefully you found it entertaining and informative. Some of the stuff is really to see how I can get rank on keywords for certain subjects. Okay, and so I'm putting out content that I hope is interesting, but at the same time, I'm really trying to figure out algorithms with YouTube, and I'm having actually pretty good success with it. And it's only been, I don't know, a couple weeks. So that is the reason I'm posting all these different things. And there's three main goals. My goal doing all these different types of videos and with the channel lately in the near future here is, number one, to give you, my subscriber, better content so that I can be a better YouTuber and give you better information, better videos, and higher rankings. So number two, it's to grow the channel more so more people can see the information and the tutorials and learn from them. And number three, it's so I really just want to master YouTube and see how far I can go with YouTube. And as I'm learning this, I'll be able to teach you as well. So really just short and sweet, that's really what's going on with all this. So enjoy the videos and don't forget to comment and like on them. It really helps me and the algorithm and YouTube. And so far, it's really been helping a lot. And go ahead, like and comment on the videos, and I'll see you in the next video.